Alright.
Start.
Stand still. Stand still. Guys, today we will tell you how to hit a nasty trick shot to get into a clan. Bomba clan. First step, you grapple. Oh shoot, rewind the video. Bleep that, bleep that, bleep that, bleep that, bleep that. Alright, guys,
Yep.
this is how you start a clan with trick shots. So he microwaves up. Then you no scope him. Try to no scope him. Miss. That's a part of it, guys. That's a part of it.
Yep.
Then you grapple up. Grapple up. Down on Big Ben. Then you grapple back up. Miss again. But barely. That's a part of it. Now you're probably TISSED. So now you gotta hit him with the count move. Hit them. You go in the tower, slap Diddy's cheeks, go back out.
Yep. Okay.
Ching chong, bowling ding ding dong, goody bang dang ding ding go. Then you miss
Do
again.
not sing copyright songs low, bro.
Then you hit the trick shot. That is how you hit. And that's how you start a clan.